is the cursor visible now? Okay. Hi all, good afternoon.
Yes.
So today we are discussing the polynomials. I forgot to record. So my cursor is visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So here, if after 5, if nothing is written, that is x to the power 0. And x to the power 0 is how much?
1.
1.
1. So what is the degree of this polynomial?
1.
1.
1.
Degree is 1.
1.
Very good. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, so if 0 is if nothing is written, then it's 0. But if something is written, then that is the degree.
See here in this case you have x, no? X is
Yes, sir.
present and nothing is written on top of x, then it is
Yes, sir.
the power is 1. Okay. Here after 5 nothing was written. So we will assume that this is x to the power 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let me show you one more example. Y plus root 2. What is variable here?
Y.
What variable is y? What is the power of y here?
1.
1.
1. Okay. Now Wahab, you will tell me with root 2, what is the power of y with root 2?
Sir, y power 0.
0. Because root 2 you don't have anything. So we
Yes, sir.
can assume that this is root 2 into 1, right?
Yes, sir.
And 1 we can write as y to the power 0.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
here the power of y is 0. Now which one is bigger? 1 is bigger or 0 is bigger?
1 is bigger.
1 is bigger. So degree will be 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. You all know about root?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me what is the value of root 4?
2.
2.
2. Is this correct, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you sure, everyone, this is correct?
Yes.
No, this is not correct.
No,
Huh?
sir, plus minus 2. Plus minus 2. Plus minus 2.
Plus minus 2. Okay. Try to understand the meaning of root first of all. If I'm asking you what is the value of root 4, it means I'm asking you, tell me a number which is when multiplied by itself, I should get 4. Correct, no? This is the
Yeah.
meaning of root, no? What is the meaning of root? If I'm asking you root 4 value, it means I'm asking you, tell me a number which is when multiplied by itself, it should give me 4. Okay, have you heard about Olympiad?
Olympiad.
Huh?
Sir,
Oh,
math Olympiad.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So see, you should not only target your 10th board examination, okay? Simultaneously target the maths Olympiad as well. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is why whatever I will be teaching you, that will be in regard to Olympiad preparation as well. Okay, so don't only focus that I have to complete the chapters, polynomials. No. Okay, you have to think what additional I am studying. So if I'm asking root of any number, it means I'm asking you tell me a number which is when multiplied by itself, I should get 4, correct? You told me 2. I agree that 2 is correct because when you multiply 2 to itself, 2 into 2, you will get 4. I agree this is correct. But what about minus 2? If you will multiply minus 2 into minus 2, what you will get?
4.
Minus 4.
Again, you will, no, not minus 4. You will get 4 because minus into minus will become plus, no?
Plus here.
Right? See,
Yes.
plus into plus, what you will get? Plus.
Plus.
Okay?
Plus.
Minus into minus, what you will get?
Plus.
Plus. Plus into minus, what you will get?
Minus.
Minus.
Minus. Minus into plus, what you will get?
Minus.
Minus. Okay, so don't forget this. This is very important concept of mathematics, and you will use this during your entire life. This is very important. Okay. So -2 into -2. Minus into minus means you will get plus. So this is +4. So even if you are multiplying +2 into +2, you are getting 4. If you're multiplying -2 into -2, even then you are getting 4. So the root 4 value will be +2 and -2. You will get both the values. Is this clear?
Yes.
So if someone asks you that, tell me what is the value of root 4, don't only tell 2. You have to tell +2 and -2, both will be the answer. And shortcut that is written as +-2. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you understood the reason why -2 is also a value?
Yes.
Okay. Now, next question. Tell me the square root of 25. What is the square root of 25?
Plus or minus 5.
Plus or minus
Very
5.
good. Plus and -5. Now, if someone will ask you that, no, prove this. How you can tell that +5 is the value or the answer to the square root of 25? How you will prove it?
5 into 5.
You have to tell that the square root meaning is we have to find a number which when multiplied to itself, I should get 25. So if I will multiply +5 with +5 with itself, I will get 25. That is why +5 is the square root, is the answer for the square root of 25. Why -5? If you will multiply -5 with -5, what you will get? You will again get 25. Okay.
25.
So that is a +5 and -5. Both are the answer for the square root of 25. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, any question so far, anyone?
No,
No.
sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Now, this root of 25, what is the power of 25 here if it is root?
1 by 2.
Very good. So square root is also written as 1 by 2. Okay. You give this sign or you write 1 by 2. Both are same. Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Any question? Are you understanding this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Okay. Now, a polynomial of degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. I have covered here, no? So if degree 1 is, sorry, not as you can, this is your linear polynomial. Okay. Now we will
Yes.
study if a polynomial has degree 2. So what it is known as? Quadratic polynomial. Okay. If the degree is 2, that is known as quadratic polynomial. Now the example is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. What is the degree of this polynomial?
2.
2. How you can tell that degree is 2?
Because the highest power over here is 2.
Because the highest power of x is 2 here. What is the power of x here?
1.
What is the power of x here?
0.
0.
Good. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Now, similarly, you have an example of cubic polynomial. Can you guess and tell me what will be the degree of cubic polynomial?
3.
3.
Very good. So cubic polynomial degree will be 3. Now, each one of you, one by one, have to give me an example of cubic polynomial. So we'll start with Junaid. Yes, Junaid, sir, tell me.
3x cube plus y.
3x cube plus y. No, you take the same variable. Don't change the variable. it will become linear equation in two variables. We are talking about one variable only. So 3x cube plus x you can write. So this will, so what is the degree of this polynomial?
3.
3. Okay. So Afifa, you tell me one example of cubic polynomial.
2 minus x cube.
2 minus x cube. Very good. So this is also an example of cubic polynomial. Okay, perfect. Wahab,
Yes, sir.
tell me an example of cubic polynomial.
So 4x cube
4x
plus
cube
plus x square plus x.
plus x square plus x. So what is the degree of this polynomial?
3. The first
3.
one is 3.
So this is an example of cubic
Cubic.
polynomial. Here, Amina,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes,
2x
tell me.
cube. 2x
2x.
cube plus
Hmm.
4x square plus 2.
Okay. So this is an example of cubic polynomial. Okay. So Pratap has joined. So Pratap, are you understanding all these things? You have joined late. Is this clear? Okay, I think Pratap is on mute. Okay. So you all understood what is variable, what is degree, you understood linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, now we will proceed further. Now, we represent a polynomial as Px. The polynomial is represented like this. This P is
P
the
of,
lowercase p, a small p, okay?
P
So
of
we
x.
represent polynomial like this. So suppose if I have this polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. What is the degree of this polynomial?
2.
2.
The degree is 2. So this is which polynomial?
Quadratic.
Quadratic polynomial. Very good. Now, if I will ask you that find the value of this polynomial. Okay, what I will ask? Find the value of this polynomial. So you have to ask me that at which point you are asking the value. So I will tell you, find the value of this polynomial at x equals 2. So it means I am telling you, tell me the value of p of 2. What it is known as?
P of 2.
P of 2.
Of 2. It means I am telling you, tell me the value of this polynomial when the
2
value of x is 2. So
2
what you
square.
have, so let me complete. So what you have to do, wherever it is x, you have to put here 2. Okay? This is a square, so you have to mark it as a square. Okay? Then minus 3. In place of x, what you will put here?
2.
2. So this is multiplication. Then you have minus 4. Is this clear?
The answer will be
Yes.
2.
Okay. So 2 square is how much?
4.
4.
4. And then you have minus 3 into
6.
2?
6.
6. Then you have minus 4.
4.
So this will be how much?
2.
This will be how much?
2.
To Afifa, this
Minus-
will be how much?
Minus 2.
Minus 6.
Minus 6. Afifa, what will be the value for this?
Yes, sir.
Tell me 4 minus 6 minus 4 will be how much?
4,
Huh?
2.
2. Acha. Amina,
Minus 6.
minus 6. Wahab,
Yes, sir. Minus 6.
minus 6. Okay, ठीक है. Let's try to evaluate it. First of all, tell me 4 minus 6. This will be how much?
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
2.
Minus 2. Is this clear to everyone? 4 minus 6 is minus 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. How you told that 4 minus 6 is minus 2? Can anyone explain this?
Because a smaller
the
number
high-
is
Because the highest number has
negative sign here.
minus. So
Okay. Now let's try to understand here. 4 minus 6. Before 4, which sign you have?
Minus.
Plus.
No, before 4 I'm telling.
Over
We have
here.
plus
Okay.
sign, no? If
Plus
nothing
sign.
is written, this is plus sign, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And before 6, which sign you have?
Minus.
Minus.
So plus and minus, what you will get? Minus.
Minus.
So it means you have to subtract it. So when you will subtract 4 from 6, what you will get? 2. Now, which one is bigger here? 4 or 6?
6
Six.
is bigger.
6. So what is the sign with 6?
Minus.
Minus.
Minus. So you have to put here minus. So that's why it is minus 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now you have here minus 4. Now minus 2 minus 4 will be how much?
Minus
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 6.
2.
Now
6.
again try to understand this. Minus 2 minus 4. First of all, minus minus, what you will get?
Plus.
What you will get?
Plus.
Plus.
See, I have taught you here, no? Minus minus will give you plus.
Plus.
So it means you have to add it. So 2 plus 4 is how much?
Minus
6.
6.
6. Now which one is bigger here?
Minus 4.
What is the sign with 4?
Minus.
It will be minus 6. So it is minus 6. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will tell you one shortcut for this. Okay.
Just cancel 4, 4.
Very good. So you have 4 minus 6 minus 4. Suppose your mom gave you 10 rupees. Okay. Your mom gave you 10 rupees. You went outside. Okay. And you bought a chocolate for 9 rupees. So what is the balance with you?
1.
1.
1 rupees balance. Okay. Now, suppose your mom gave you 10 rupees. You bought a chocolate for 10 rupees. What is the balance you have?
0.
0. So in mathematics, whenever the same number, suppose 5 and minus 5, the same number, if it has plus and minus, then it will be 0.
0.
It means someone has given you 5 rupees, then you have spent 5 rupees. Minus means you have spent. Okay. So that's why this is plus 4, this is minus 4. This is plus 4, this is minus 4. So they both will cancel.
You canceled.
What you have left with? Minus 6.
Minus.
So that is why you have to learn these tricks. It is very important so that during examination, you can quickly solve the question. If suppose if someone don't know this trick, so he will go by this method and this will take time, no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, it's clear.
So what is the value of P of 2? Minus 6.
Minus
So
6.
finally you can write that P of 2 value is minus 6 is the answer. Are you guys understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now tell me, what will be the value of 9 minus 11 plus 11? What will be the value for this? Tell me quickly. Who will answer first?
9.
9.
9.
Why 9?
Because
Because
11
11
will be cancelled.
Plus 11 minus 11 will be cancelled. Clear?
Cancelled. Yes, sir.
Okay, minus 25 plus 25 minus 9 plus 9. What will be the output?
0.
0.
0. Very good. 16 minus 18 plus 13 plus 5. What will be the output?
16.
16.
Okay, how you told 16?
I just added and subtracted it as you were saying.
Okay, good. So 16 minus 18 is how much?
2. Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. And then you have plus 13 and then you
Plus-
have plus
plus
5.
11.
Minus 2 plus 13 is how much?
Plus 11.
Plus 11. And then you have plus 5. So this is how much?
That's
16,
16.
right? Okay,
Yes.
this is correct. Everyone, you all understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will tell you a shortcut for this. Now listen the short. This is 16 minus 18 plus 13 plus 5. Now see, for this, what you can, I'm getting some background noise. Okay, for this, what you have to do, see, first of all, solve this one. 13 plus 5 will be how much?
18.
18. What will be the sign?
Oh,
Plus.
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 And here you have minus 18.
So we can
Cancel
cancel both 18 and 18.
18, 18 cancelled. Plus minus cancel. We are left with 16. We got the answer quickly.
it. Yes.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when you will do more and more practice, no, you will get all this type of shortcut techniques. Okay. And during in the competitive examinations, IIT, NEET, so time is very important. Many a times you will hear people, students will tell that I know all the answers, but I was not having sufficient time. Okay, so that is why you have to be fast. And for that, you should know all the trick. Now, suppose if someone knows this trick, so he can quickly solve in 2 to 3 seconds. Otherwise, if you will go by this method, this will take minimum 10 seconds, right?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, let's try to solve some other example. Now, same this question, x square minus 3x minus 4. Okay, so for this, I write here 3x is equal to. Sorry, my handwriting is not good. Are you able to read it properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. So now I'm asking you a question, and you all have to be ready. Okay, so and from the next class, you have to keep paper and your notebook and pen with you ready. Okay.
Okay,
My
sir.
question is, and I want a quick response. I will check who will answer first. I want the value of P of 0.
P of 0. Okay, sir. 0,
Minus
0,
one.
minus 4.
Minus 1.
Okay,
Minus-
Junaid is telling
minus
minus
7.
1.
Oh,
Wahab
no,
is
no.
telling minus 4.
Minus
Afifa,
Minus 4.
Minus
Afifa is
4.
telling minus 4. Amina,
Minus 4.
minus 4.
Minus 1.
Okay, let's try to solve it. P of 0. What is the meaning of this? It means in place of x, we have to put 0, right?
Yes.
Correct. So what we will do, here in place of x, we will put 0, so it will become 0 square. Pratap, are you understanding? Pratap is on mute. Okay. So then you will get here minus 3 into 0. Then this is minus 4. So 0 square will be how much?
0.
0.
0. Minus 3 into 0 will be how much?
0. 0.
0. You know, 0, if you multiply by any number, you will get 0. So this will be also 0. And you have minus 4 here. Now this is plus 0, minus 0, cancel, right? So what is the
Plus 0.
answer?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So minus 4 is the answer. Hope you all understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, now another question. You all have to solve it, okay? Same px x square minus 3x minus 4. Tell me the value p of minus 1. Solve it and then tell me.
Minus 6.
0.
Minus 6.
Minus 6, okay. Someone Wahab is telling 0, then minus 6. Any other thought?
Minus 7.
Minus 7. Okay. Okay, now let's try to solve it. What is the meaning of P of minus 1?
The value of x is -1.
So wherever you have x, you have to substitute it by minus 1, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this x is minus 1 to the power 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 into minus 1. Then this is minus 4. So minus 1 is square is how much?
1.
Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 is square is 1. Minus 3 into minus 1?
Plus 3.
1. 3. 3.
Minus into minus is what
Plus.
you will get?
Plus
Plus.
3.
Okay.
Yes.
3 into 1 is how much?
3.
3.
And you have minus 4 here. Now 1 plus 3 is how much?
4.
4.
Then minus 4 minus 4 is how much?
0.
0.
What is the value?
0.
0. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
See, generally what happens in mathematics, you have to be very careful. Okay? You have to be very careful. If you do a simple mistake, it will give you incorrect output. Okay? And
Yes.
you know, your entire laptop, your computer, your programming world, everything is working based on the mathematics. If you're strong in mathematics, you can become a very good software engineer, you can become a good scientist. Okay, so mathematics is very important. Whatever I'm teaching you here now. So you have heard about AI, artificial intelligence.
Yes.
Yes.
So these all things we use there in creating artificial intelligence models. So that's why these all things are very, very, very important. Okay. Now, shall I give you another task? Will you try?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Or you people are feeling bored. Shall I stop now?
No, sir.
No, sir. Let's continue.
Okay. So then tell me the value of P of 4. This time I want everyone to give me the right answer. P of 4 will be how much?
Mm. Plus
So this would be zeros.
0. Okay. Anyone else?
-4.
Minus 4.
0.
0.
Okay. Okay. So P of 4 means in place of x, you will write 4. So it will become 4 is square. Okay. Then minus 3. In place of x, you have to substitute 4. So this will become 3 into 4. Then you have minus 4. Okay, correct? So I have not done anything. Wherever you have x, I just substituted 4 here. Now 4 is square is how much?
16.
16.
16. 3 into 4 is how much?
12.
12. And then you have minus 4 here. What is the 16 minus 12 is how much?
4.
4.
4. 4 minus 4 is how much?
0.
0.
Got 0.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now listen very carefully. I'm going to explain you an important concept. When I have taken P of minus 1, what was the output?
0.
0. When I have taken P of 4, what was the output?
0.
0. Okay. So P of minus 1 and P of 4, they both have given the output 0. So minus 1 and 4 are called the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So if someone will ask you that, tell me the zeros of quadratic polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. So what will be the answer? Minus 1 and 4. Because in place of x, if you write minus 1, this will give you 0. In place of x, if you write 4, this will give you 0. Is that
Zero.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So if someone will ask you that tell me the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, it means you have to search a value of x which should give 0 here. Is this point clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Shall I proceed further to the next topic?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's take some simple example. Hmm. Can you tell me for the example 2k plus 3, what is the variable here?
K.
K. What is the degrees?
1.
1. This is which polynomial?
Linear.
Linear.
Polynomial.
Linear polynomial. Now here, if I will ask you that tell me the 0 of this polynomial. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to equal this to 0. Okay. Then you have to find the value of k. Can you tell me the value of k?
Yes, sir.
How much?
Sir, -3/2.
Okay. So what we have done here, we will, to get the value of k, we have to keep k alone here. So first of all, we'll move this plus 3 to the right side. If you move this plus 3 to the right side, what you will get?
-3.
And -3
Minus
by
3, correct? You know, if you will shift something from left hand side to right hand side, the sign will change. It is
Yes,
plus, it will become minus, okay? Now,
Yes.
I have to remove 2 from k. So 2 and k, how they are associated here? Which relationship they have here?
Multiplication.
multiplication,
Multiplication. So if you will shift it to the right side, what it will become?
division,
Division.
It will be in the division relationship. So k value is -3/2. So if someone will ask you what is the 0 of this polynomial, you have to tell -3/2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
yes,
It
sir.
means in the place of k, if you will put -3/2, this entire equation will become 0.
0.
Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you want, let's verify this. So 2k plus 3. In the place of k, what we have to put? -3/2. So this will become 2 into -3/2, and this is plus 3. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have here -3 and here you have +3. So -3 and +3 will be how much?
0.
0.
They both will get cancelled out, it will be 0. That is why the 0 of this polynomial is -3/2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Now, next example. Can you tell me for 5x minus 4, what will be the 0 of this polynomial?
5x.
4/5,
4/5. Is this correct, everyone?
minus
Yes,
4/5.
Is this correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. So how you will solve this? 5x minus 4 equals to 0. Then what you will do? Next step,
-4 will be
you have to shift -4 to the right side. What it will become?
+4.
+4. Then next step,
Then we'll shift
Take the
that
down
down 5.
what is the
5/5.
relationship between 5 and x here?
Multiplication. Bring it
So
down.
this side will become
Minus
Division.
division. It will become
4/5.
4/5.
5.
Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
4/5 is the 0 of this polynomial. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now we will proceed a little bit further. Okay. Uh, uh, Now, let me proceed further. Are you people understanding it, or you're finding it difficult to understand?
No, sir, it's fine.
Fine,
Yes, sir, it's good.
Yeah, it's fine.
perfect. Let me draw a graph here. I don't have a graph. Just a minute. Do this. You all have studied graphs, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me draw a graph here. Now listen this carefully. This is which axis?
X.
This is the x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is
Y-axis.
Y-axis.
y-axis. So my line is not straight. Sorry for it. Now, what this is known as?
Abscissa.
Um,
X dash. X dash.
Okay, this is also known as origin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here the value of x will be suppose 1. Here the value of x, suppose this is 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 4. Here it is 5. Okay. What will be the value here? This side?
minus
Minus
1.
1, minus 2, minus 3,
Minus
minus
1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Can you tell me in your daily life where you have seen the use of this graph?
In math class.
Sorry?
In math class.
Oh, math class is fine. That's the use. But apart from that,
Sir, is it used in like geolocation?
geolocation, and then in IPL matches, cricket matches, you might have seen this type of
Is
graphs
it
they will show.
used like
Correct?
in 3D modules, like
Hmm.
making 3D models?
There also it is used. Okay. It is also used in business to understand their growth, the profit, loss, quarter over quarter, year over year. It is used there as well. Okay. Graph is very important. So, Wahab, you might have studied matplot in Python, right? There's a
Yes, sir.
library.
Yes, sir.
There also we use these graphs, right? It is full of graphs only. And your business intelligence guys, your data analysts, business analysts, so graph is like a bread and butter for them.
Yes, sir. They're always using it for time series and everything else. Yes, sir.
Correct, time series analysis and many other aspects. Okay. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay. Now, why I have drawn this graph, although it doesn't look good, but fine, you have to compromise here. So let's draw a graph for y equals 2x plus 3. Suppose for this I have to draw a graph. Okay. First of all, you know how to draw a graph, everyone? Any idea? No? Okay, I will teach. Have you studied in class 9 how to draw a graph?
Oh yeah, we have in
Yeah.
ninth and
Studied,
eighth.
no? 9th you have studied. Okay, fine. So see, we will try to understand how to draw a graph. So let's take the value of x as value of x. Again, please don't do drawing on the board. 1 minute. Tifa is doing drawing, no?
No.
Who's doing drawing? Please don't do drawing on the board. Okay? 1 minute. Why this is not, see now it is not getting erased. Okay, so Now we will take the value of x, like suppose 2, or any value you can take. So the value of x is 2. What will be the value of y?
We have to find it out.
2 into 2 plus 3. It will be how much?
7.
7.
7. So when the value of x, let's make a chart here. The value of x is 2. What is the value of y?
7.
7, right? Okay. Now let's take the value of x as suppose minus 2. Then what will be the value of y?
Minus 7.
2 into minus 2 plus 3. How much it will give? Tell me quickly.
Minus 7.
Minus 4 plus 3. Will be how much?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So when the value of x is minus 2, what is the value of y?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay. So whenever you want to draw a graph, you have to take two values for x, any value you can take, and then you have to derive the value of y. Now see this first combination, this one. When the value of x is 2, what is the value of y?
7.
7. So we have to draw here. Where is the value of x? This is 2. Correct?
Yes.
Value of y is 7. This is 7. So
Yes.
you have to take this point. So this is the point. Okay. At this point, the value of x is 2.
Yes.
And the value of y is 7. Suppose this point is P. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the next value? X value is minus 2.
Minus
Y
2.
value is minus 1.
Minus
So where
1.
is minus 2? X minus 2 is here. This is x value is minus 2. Now y
Yes, sir.
value is minus 1. So here we have y value minus 1. Correct?
Mm.
So here the value of x is minus 2. And the value of y is minus 1.
Minus 1.
And suppose this is q. So now you have to join these 2 points. Okay. You have to join these 2. Oh, sorry. Now I'm joining here. You join something like this. So this is the graph you have to draw. Okay. So this is a
Yes.
homework for you all. You all have that graph paper.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you don't have, you can buy from the stationery shop. They will give you for 1 rupee or 50 paise. And then you draw this graph for this, like this you have to draw. Okay. This is a HW.
But
Okay.
like, what's the equation that we'll have to do it on?
This is the equation. Y equals 2x plus 3.
Okay.
Okay. Same thing you have to do. Then for one more you have to do y equals 2x minus 3. So these are the 2 homeworks. Y equal to x plus 3, y equals 2x minus 3. This is the homework you all have to do, and tomorrow I will check. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
FIFA clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now don't go, don't be absent tomorrow, FIFA.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, okay, I will stop here today. Okay, and then we will continue tomorrow. Okay. So do you have any question?
No, sir.
No question. No study, no confusion. Okay, more study, more confusion. Okay. So tomorrow, shall we continue at the same time, 2 to 3 p.m.?
Sure, sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Any problem?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
Amina, you have class tomorrow, no?
Yeah.
Oh, at what time you will come from school?
I'll be back by like KSA time. Do I say? Or
That
like
is
in,
fine. I know that.
I'll
At
be
what time
back
you will?
by 1:50 KSA time.
Okay, fine. So we will plan a time tomorrow and I will tell to everyone, okay? Is that fine?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the homework, and whatever I have covered today, you have to revise. Okay, and whatever we will study in depth, in detail. Okay. So fine then. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.